quick video battery organizers, quick unboxing and show you what they look like. These are really nice if you have invested in some rechargeable AA or AAA batteries. You don't want them loose rolling around. These are going to be the best type of case. Let's see what we got. All right, here are the AAAs. Yeah, these are really nice. These are the best design in my opinion, as far as like what I've found. This is gonna be the slimmest, best design in my opinion. So the cap, I just pull off, and you know, it takes a little bit of oomph, and that's what you want, because you want these to be as sealed as possible. These have a like a textured top, kind of see it like almost sparkling there. Smooth on the sides and a nice cap, and you have like you've got an inner lip that's gonna catch on these grooves on the cap. Individual, and they make different sizes. They make a 2, a 3, and a 4. These are gonna be perfect. I'm glad I went with these. They're a couple bucks more, but I think it's totally worth it. They fit in. Got a nice, just a perfect fit. Snap closed and you're done. It's got a texture on the bottom too. Yeah, these are the way to go in my opinion. So you get 2 in that pack. I'll link them down below. They even sort of nest on each other. Nice and durable. So you get 2 in there. All right, so here are the AA's. Same thing. You get 2, which is nice. This one's from a different company, but it's very similar. It has the sort of frosted top and bottom, like textured. It's kind of hard to see, but sort of a grippier plastic. Same design, it's got a little lip on it. Nice inset cap with the other channel that's gonna grip that ridge here. And it's just the perfect size. These aren't gonna rattle around or anything. Nice and tight, perfect. There you have it, AA, AAA, 2-pack for each one. And this is gonna be the way to go to, you know, keep your batteries from rolling around and get a decent weatherproofing on them too. You can just chuck them in a bag and you're good to go. So I'll put links down below, check these out. I'll leave links for the Eneloops. They are 1.2 volt, some of the highest quality rechargeable batteries. I will put a link for some chargers too, and for some 1.5 volt lithium batteries. And the chargers that I will link will be able to charge all of the different types of batteries, and they will even be able to charge the 1.5 volt lithium batteries, which a lot of chargers won't do. So you can mix, and you can be pretty sure that they'll do every sort of cylindrical rechargeable battery that you have. So I did the research on that. So yeah, super excited. You could use them for all kinds of stuff, you know, pills or whatever you got, little screws. Good thing to have. All right, thanks. See ya.